Open the Microsoft Edge web browser. Type google.com and search it. Then type Google Chrome in the search bar. Go to the first link. And click the Download Chrome. Wait few seconds for download it. After download, click Open File. Now the Google Chrome automatically download and install in your device. Wait few seconds until it finish. If this video helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe me.